Install time, guys. Here we have the 2021-2026 F-150 Raptor CREE LED front map interior lights. This one we got in red. So we're going to install this today. Tools you'll need: this little bad boy from F-150 LED, their toolkit. It is awesome. And we're going to need a Torx 10 and a Torx 20. Let's get to it. Okay guys, we're back in the truck. We are going to pull this whole piece out. Again, this holds our sunglasses. I have the upfitter switches because I have the Tremor. So underneath here, we're going to have 3 connectors. We're going to pull those off. If you have the power moonroof or sunroof, whatever you'd like to call it, I believe you have 4 connectors. But we have 3. So some F-150s only have 2 because they don't have the upfitter switches. So it's locked in 4 spots. 1 spot here, 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 and here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our tool from F-150 LEDs. This is an awesome little pry bar. We're going to jam it into the side here. We're going to twist. You hear that pop? That's 1 spot. Same thing on the other side. We're going to jam it, twist. That's 2. Slide down a little further. Jam, twist again. 3, 4. And then you just give it a little tug as you pull down, and then the 4th one will pop out. Once you have it like this, we do have a connector here. We're going to squeeze. It's going to drop. You have another connector right here. Squeeze this tab, should pull out. Your last connector here, push in, and it pulls out. All right, we're back in the shop, and we have this bad boy off. So, like I said before, it is a T20 and a T10 to take this off. So we're going to take this off now. It's 6 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's the board for the factory interior dome light. So we're going to swap it out for the 21 plus, so 21 and 26 F-150 Raptor CREE LED front map light dome board. This is the red one without the sunroof. You had the sunroof, there's a couple more connections I believe, but I have the upfitter switches because it is the Tremor, but it's the 401. So with the 401, I don't have a sunroof. So T10 are next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the T10. Okay, this is the factory one. There. And this is the new one, an F-150 LED. There are these white pegs here that this board will just slide into the holes. So it sits exactly where it should. So we're going to put these 6 bolts back in on the T10. Or screws, bolts or screws. Okay guys, we're back in the truck. We've installed the dome board. We put our 6 screws back in on the T10. Then we put our 6 screws back in for the T20 on the housing, the whole plastic piece here. So first step, we're going to place this connector in here. Some of them can be a little tricky getting back in. Oh, that was good. Okay. This connector here goes into here. Okay, there's a click, and then this connector here goes to this one. There's the last click. Don't forget to make sure they all click in. And there's 2 little lips back here that'll sit up in the roof portion of the headliner. Push them in there first, and then set the other pieces, or sorry, this piece here, and then just give it a good firm hit. There you go. Oops. There we go. Super simple. Let's get the truck out and check out the lights. All right, we just got done installing the map lights, so let's take a look at them at night. Also, quick shout out to the Raptor grill lights from F-150 LEDs. Love them. All right, let's check out the map lights. These are awesome. They're actually a lot brighter than I thought they were going to be. A lot brighter than the stock white ones, which is cool too. Because now I can actually see in the truck at night. But I love the red. Super awesome. They also come in blue and diamond white from F-150 LEDs. I'm just super partial to the red. I'm in my truck a lot at night. Super simple to install as well. On a scale of 1 to 5 for the mountain adventure scale, I give it a 1. Beginner can definitely do this. Total install time was under 10 minutes. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll catch you next time. Time for me to enjoy my Swedish fish.